Hello everyone, welcome to My Math Teacher. In this video, I am going to teach question number 1 from the exercise 2.3. This is for class 9 students from NCERT syllabus. Chapter is polynomials. Question here is, find the remainder when this polynomial is divided by each of the given polynomials. Now the meaning is we have to divide this polynomial by each one of them and we have to find the remainder. This is as the same as the normal division which we do. Let us take an example 10 divided by 3. What we do, 10 will be divided by this number 3. We know 3 3s are 9. We have quotient as 3 and the remainder as 1. Okay. The same we are going to do with the polynomial. Now consider this polynomial 3x plus x minus 1 is divided by x plus 1. So when we do the actual division, we have got the quotient as 3x minus 2 and you can see the remainder is 1 here. Okay. Now the same we are going to do. The difference is we are not going to do the actual division. Instead, without doing the actual division, we are going to find this remainder. Okay, let us start. This is the given polynomial. So write the polynomial as polynomial of variable x, because the variable mentioned here is x, which is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Okay, the first subdivision, it is mentioned as x plus 1. What we are going to do is we are going to take x plus 1 and equate this to 0 so that we can find the x value. Now x is equal to, transpose this to the other side, plus 1 becomes minus 1. Okay. Now this x value we are going to substitute in the polynomial. Therefore we have got p of x. Now this polynomial, in the place of x we are going to substitute minus 1. So minus 1 is equal to x cube, which is minus 1 cube plus 3 into x square minus 1 square plus 3 into x minus 1 plus 1. Okay. Now here it is minus 1 cube. Minus 1 cube is minus 1 multiplied 3 times like this. Okay. Now you know, first of all, multiply the sign, that is minus into minus, it will become plus. Now plus into minus, it becomes minus. Plus into minus is minus. Now multiply the numerals. 1 into 1 is 1. Again 1 into 1 is 1. Okay, it will be minus 1. We can understand that when minus 1 to the power odd number, the same minus 1 will be there. If it is even number, it will be positive 1. Okay, now minus 1 cube is what? Minus 1. Okay, plus 3 into minus 1 square. As I said, if it is even number, this will be positive 1. How? Minus 1 into minus 1. So minus into minus is plus. 1 ones are 1. Okay, it is 1. Now multiply 3 and minus 1. So plus 3 and minus 1. So plus into minus, it is minus. 3 ones are 3 plus 1. Now remove the bracket by multiplying. Here we have got minus 1 plus 3 ones are 3 minus 3 plus 1. Subtract 3 and 3, it becomes 0. And minus 1 plus 1, same number with the opposite sign. When you add, it becomes 0 as well. Now this is 0. P of minus 1 is 0. Now this is the remainder we have got when we divide the given polynomial by x plus 1. So we can write, therefore the remainder is 0 for the given polynomial, that is x plus 1. Okay. Now remainder is 0. So you can write the remainder is 0 when you divide by x plus 1. The second subdivision is x minus 1 by 2. Okay. Now equate this to 0. Now we have got x is equal to minus 1 by 2. When you transpose, it will be plus 1 by 2. This is the x value. This x value we are going to substitute in the polynomial. So in the place of x, write 1 by 2, which is equal to 1 by 2 the whole cube. This is x cube plus 3 into 1 by 2 the square plus 3 into 1 by 2 plus 1. Okay. Now 1 by 2 the whole cube. So you have to simplify this. 1 by 2 is multiplied 3 times. Okay, which is 1 by 8. 1 by 8 plus 3 into 1 by 2 square. So if it is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, it is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 plus multiply 3 into 1 by 2. So 3 into 1 by 2 is multiply the numerator 3 by 2. Answer is 3 by 2 plus 1. Here again 1 by 2 plus multiply 3 into 1 by 4 is 3 by 4 plus 3 by 2 plus 1. So as we can see, we have to take LCM. Now make this 1, the denominator becomes 1. Okay. For finding the LCM, I have written all the denominator 8, 4, 2. So divide by 2, it will be 4, 2, 1. Okay. So 1 is the same. Okay. So again, divided by 2, we have got 2 and 1. Again divided by 2, it will be 1, comma 1. So it will be 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. This is the LCM. Now compare 8 and 8. There will be how many 8s will be there in 8? It will be only 1. Okay. There is only 1 8 in 8. So multiply with that number. 1 ones are 1. Okay. Plus 4. Now compare how many 4s are there in 8. There will be 2 4s. Now multiply 2 with the numerator. 2 3s are 6 plus. Now compare 8 with 2. How many 2s are there in 8? It will be 4 2s. So multiply with that number here. Now it is 12 plus. How many 1s are there in 8? It will be 8. Again multiply with the number. It will be 8. Now add all the numbers. 1 plus 6 is 7. Okay. 7 plus, make it 20 by 8. We have got 27 by 8. This is P of 1 by 2. Okay. Therefore, this is the remainder. The remainder is 27 by 8. Third subdivision is the same polynomial. Now here we have to divide by x. Now you have to find the x value. As usual, x, it's only simple x is given. Now equate this to 0. Now we have got 0 as the x value. Now apply 0 instead of x. P of 0 is equal to 0 cube plus 3 into 0 square plus 3 into 0 plus 1. Now 0 cube is 0. 3 multiplied by 0 will be again 0 as well. 3 into 0 is 0 plus 1, which is 1. P of 0 is 1. So this is the remainder. Therefore, 1 is the remainder of P of x. Fourth subdivision is P of x is equal to the same polynomial. The given divisor is x plus pi. Now equate this to 0. Find the x value. It will be positive pi will become minus pi. Negative pi. Okay. Now substitute x value as minus pi. P of minus pi is equal to x value x cube, that is minus pi cube plus 3 into x value is minus pi, square it, plus 3 into x, simply minus pi, plus 1. Okay. Now expand this, that is minus pi cube is minus pi into minus pi into minus pi. Okay. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. Pi into pi, pi square into pi is pi cube. So the final answer is minus pi cube plus 3 into minus pi square. Minus pi square is minus pi into minus pi. Minus into minus becomes plus. Pi into pi is pi square. Okay. When we expand, this is the answer. Pi square. Now multiply 3 plus 3 into minus pi. That is plus into minus is minus, 3 into pi is 3 pi plus 1. Now remove the bracket by simplifying. So here we have got minus pi cube plus 3 into pi square is 3 pi square minus 3 pi plus 1. Now further we can't simplify this because all are having different degree. So we don't have any like terms. So simply this is the final answer. Okay. This is the remainder. Therefore the remainder is the same answer, minus pi cube plus 3 pi square minus 3 pi plus 1. The last subdivision, here the same polynomial you have to divide by 5 plus 2x. Okay, now 5 plus 2x, let us equate this to 0. Now we need only x value, transpose the number to the other side. 2x is equal to, this 5 will be transposed to the other side, which will be minus 5. So now x value, only x value is minus 5. The product will be division here, divided by 2. This is the x value. We have to substitute in this polynomial. That is p of minus 5 by 2 is equal to x cube. X cube is minus 5 by 2 the whole cube plus 3 into minus 5 by 2 the whole square plus 3 into minus 5 by 2 plus 1. Okay. Here we have got minus 5 by 2 multiplied 3 times, minus 5 by 2 into minus 5 by 2 into minus 5 by 2. What will be the answer? So minus into minus plus, plus into minus is minus. Now multiply the numerals, that is 5 into 5 is 25, 25 into 5 is 125, divided by the denominator will be 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So when you expand, this is the answer, minus 125 divided by 8 plus 3 into, now expand minus 5 by 2 the whole square, minus 5 by 2 into minus 5 by 2, because we have to multiply only twice. So what will be the answer? Minus into minus is plus. 5 5s are 25 by 4. Okay, 25 by 4. Now here multiply, we have only simply 3 with the minus 5 by 2. So multiply, plus into minus, minus. 3 into 5 is 15 by 2, like this. Plus 3 into minus 5 by 2. Multiply, plus into minus is minus. 3 into 5 is 15 divided by 2. The last one is plus 1. Okay. Now I'm going to remove this bracket by multiplying this. Minus 125 by 8 plus, multiply the numerator. 3 into 25 is 75 by 4 minus 15 by 2 plus 1 by 1. So as you can see, this is like the previous sum where we have got all the denominator as 8, 4, 2 and 1. So what is the LCM? The same LCM, which is 8. Now 8 is the LCM. Okay. Now you have to compare with the denominator with the LCM. How many 8s are there in 8? It is only 1. Just multiply. Minus 125 into 1 is minus 125 plus. Okay. How many 4s are there in 8? It will be 2. Just multiply with the numerator. 75 into 2 is 150. Next, how many 2s are there in 8? 4. Okay, multiply with the numerator. So the symbol is minus, 15 4s are 60. Now, how many 1s are there in 8? There will be 8. Just multiply with the numerator. Plus 8. Okay. Now you can see we have got 2 negative numbers and 2 positive numbers. Now we are grouping the negative numbers. That is 125 minus 60 plus 150 plus 8 divided by 8. Now simplify this. Minus 150 minus 60, which is minus 185 plus 150 plus 8 is 158 divided by 8. Okay. Now we have got minus 185 plus 158. So if it is opposite sign, we have to subtract and apply the greater number sign. 185 subtract with 158. So 15, 7, 7, it will be 7 minus 5 is 2. Okay, we have got 27. So answer is, which is equal to, the greater number is minus 27 by 8. Okay, so therefore the remainder is minus 27 by 8. Okay, so this is how we have to solve all the sums to find the remainder of the given polynomial. I hope you understood all the problems which I have solved in this video. See you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye. Keep practicing.